I will tell you how to make knitted leaves. I have a green rope and 2 points. I will knit with my 20 miles. This way if you wish. You can also use it as a flower wire. 0.3 millimeters. Now I can switch to knitting. Primarily as. So I start with the chain. I will pull 15 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 1, 12, 13, 14, 15. Chain this side. I do injections often. I will have given 14 frequent injections. I gave 14 frequent injections. Now I go to the other side of the chain. By the other. Like this. I start with frequent needles. I gave 1 frequent injection. Next 2. I'm making a single trapzin. I took it all on top of it. I will make 2 trapzin next to him. I got it on. I took to 1 to 1. Then I wrapped it twice. I will do triple trapzin. First, I make a triple trapzin. Minus 1 of them. I'm shooting to 2. Then I wrapped it again. Next to the place. So I keep sinking on the other side of the chain. I'm doing triple trapzin. To 1 to 1. I took both to the same place. Again. I'm doing triple trapzin. So I'm double sunk. Again. I wrapped it on the one next to it. 1. I'm doing triple trapzin. Next to you. Double sinking. As a triple trapzin. So this is the only one. As a couple. I will repeat 3 times. I did my second repetition. Now I will do my third repetition. I did the only thing. Now I do the double. Next to you. 1 more. I will do triple trapzin. Then next to you. Double trapzin. Then single trapzin. Take your top in single trapzin. I shoot all of them. Sun Lana. The chain later. Knit chain. I continue on the other side of the corner. 3 in the same place. I do injections often. I turn this side again. What I did on this side, I do the same on this side. I made a single trapzin. Double trapzin. 1 triple trapzin. Then 1 single from here. So 1 single. 1 pair. I will make triple handrails. I'm making your pair. I filled it twice, I will do the only one. Triple trapzin. Next 2. I will do the double one. Then I will do the only thing. So I will repeat the triple banister 3 times. Only a couple of ones. Let me look like this. I'm making a couple of 2, 3 here. Then single. I'm doing my triple trapzin. Then I got the top. 2 liters of trapzin. And I do my single trapzin. This way I'm finishing here. Now I come to my last row. I'm going to knit with the wire in the last row. In my last row, 2B for here. I'm pulling a chain. I often needle the top of all my loops. I pull 2 chains. At the same time, wire from behind. I continue to move forward. 2 chains, 1 frequent needle. 2 chains. In the form of a frequent needle, I will continue until the end of my turn. Yes, I finished all my rows the same way. And this is how I finished making the leaf. Thank you for watching me. See you in another video. Goodbye.